This brand is made in China and can be purchased through the manufacturer's website or on Amazon, but the warranty on the compressor is not very good when compared to other brands. The brand uses R32 refrigerant, which is environmentally friendly, but the units use a single hose, which is not as energy efficient because conditioned air from the room is constantly being exhausted to the outside and has to be replaced and conditioned. They use a basic washable filter which does not do much to keep the cooling coil clean or to improve the air quality in the home. The units have an auto-clean function so that, when the compressor shuts off, the fan will continue to run in order to dry the condensate from the cooling coil to prevent the growth of mold. The brand uses self-evaporating technology to minimize the need to dump a condensate bucket. The A016B models are available with either an 8,500 or 10,000 BTU cooling capacity, while the A019K model has a 12,000 BTU capacity. They have a 3-speed fan with auto swing louvers or better air circulation throughout the room and digital controls with a remote for convenience, but they are not Wi-Fi enabled for voice or smartphone control. Shop for all of your HVAC needs in our Amazon store.